Hello friends, welcome to Fisheries Only Nourishing Fish, Nurturing Life, an educational YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss one more concept regarding the conservation of fishes. In this video, we are going to discuss the state fishes of the India. One of the renowned Institute of ICR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, National Bureau of Fish Genetic Resources, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, was established with the vision to conserve the fishes and its intellectual use. In this video we are going to discuss the intellectual property protection, sustainable utilization and posterity of the fishes. That is, we are mostly going to discuss the state fishes of the India. The ICR Institute, that is the National Bureau of Fish Genetic Resources, NBFGR, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, was established in December 1983 to undertake the research related to the conservation of fish germplasm resources of the India. That is the main objectives of this institute. This institute has a vision to assess and conserve the fish genetic resources for intellectual property protection, sustainable utilization and posterity. This is the main vision behind the establishment of the National Bureau of Fish Genetic Resources, which is located at the Lucknow. This is the nice campus area of the National Bureau of Fish Genetic Resources. We can see this is an institute, that is Central Institute, comes under the ICR, that is the Indian Council of Agricultural Research. This institute works for the conservation and utilization of the fishery resources of the India. NBWA in 1926 compiled a list of state of fish for 16 states with integration of the stakeholders in the conservation plan, where 16 states become partner with NBFGR in developing the strategy for conservation and enhancement of their selected fish forever for sustainable conservation and biodiversity maintenance as well as utilization of the fishes. Overall motto of this institute is to achieve the success in real-time fish conservation. The main motto is to achieve the success in real-time fish conservation. So the NBFGR plan to take as stakeholders, and they are planned for conservation of the fishes by compiling the 16 states and by giving one species for that purpose depending upon the origin and their habitat. The objective of the state fish is to let the state, the main objective of this policy is to let the state to adopt the fish and conserve their biodiversity. That the main objective of this concept is to let the state, means the state have to select one species depending upon its origin and its biodiversity of this state and conserve its biodiversity, so the species can be survive in the state as well as in the India. Subsequently, Andhra and Telangana got separated in last few years, and both the states choose marl as their state fish. And now we will discuss the which are the 16 states and their state fish of that state with their common names and scientific names. Just let's move toward the state of fishes. The first state is Andhra Pradesh. The common name of the state fish is the striped marl. Scientific name is Channa striatus, and this is a nice marl fish which is the state fish of the Andhra Pradesh. And the Andhra Pradesh is going to protect the biodiversity of this and protect the environment eco-friendly so that the fish that is Channa striatus, that is striped marls, can survive favorably in that environment. Next state is Arunachal Pradesh. That is state fish of Arunachal Pradesh is a golden mahashi, and scientific name is Tor Kuchutra. This is the cold water fish. We can conserve that golden mahashi. We can see how the golden mahashi look like golden, that is golden tinge are present on its body and face and mouth, like this nice diagram we can. Nice plate we can see here. Third state is Bihar. Bihar state fish is Magur, that is a Clarius batrachus. This is the state fish of the Bihar. Then fourth state is Haryana, and state fish is Kalbasu. We can call it as a Kalbasu or Kalbasu, and the scientific name is Labio kalbasu. This is the state fish of the Haryana. Then fifth state is Himachal Pradesh, where the state fish of the Himachal Pradesh is golden mahashi, that is Tor Kuchutra. This is state fish of the Himachal Pradesh, and also this fish is a state fish of Jammu and Kashmir also, that is golden mahashi is a state fish of Himachal Pradesh as well as Jammu and Kashmir. Now we will see the state fish of Karnataka. Karnataka having the state fish Carnatic carp, that is scientific name is Pontius carnaticus. This is the state fish of Karnataka. Now eighth state is Kerala, and state fish is Carimin, that is pearl spot. We can commonly call as also pearl spot or cariman, and scientific name is Atrophilus suratensis. This is a nice fish. How we can see this is a golden pinch and black and tinge are present on this Atrophilus suratensis. Is looking like a very beautiful fish, as well as having strong dorsal fin with its fin rays. We can see here like this Atrophilus suratensis. And our Lakshadweep, that is having a nice fish, that is butterfly fish. How we can see its color and shape is like a butterfly, so that fish is also called as a butterfly fish, and it is a state fish of Lakshadweep Island. Common is Chiodon dicaspicus. 10 is Manipur, and state fish is Pengba. This is a nice silver color fish, which is a state fish of the Manipur, and common name is Osteobramo bilangiri. Then 11th state is Mizoram, and common name of the state fish of Mizoram is Naghwan, that is Boreamis kingfish, that is also we call as Boreamis kingfish, and scientific name is Semiplot modiustus. And 12th state is Nagaland, where the state fish of the Nagaland is chocolate mahashir, and scientific name is Neolisochilus bexagonolepis. Third state is 13th state is Odisha, and scientific name of the state fish is Mahanadi mahasir, and common name is, scientific name is Tor mahanadicus. This is the state fish of Odisha. Now we will discuss the state fish of Telangana, and this is again Andhra and Telangana having same state fish, that is striped emerald, that is the Channa striatus. This is a nice fish which is a very delicious fish to consume with high protein percentage. It is a carnivorous fish. And 15th one is a Tripura state, and the state fish is Pabda, and scientific name is Ompac bimaculatus. And 16th state is Uttarakhand, and again the state fish of Uttarakhand is golden mahashi, that is Tor puchitora. Now we will discuss the next state, that is Uttar Pradesh, and this is a nice fish which is a state fish of the India, and which is commonly known as chitala. That is scientific name of this chitala is chitala. This is how it's look like. See, it's a very beautiful fish with mostly food fish culture. The culture of the chitala also carried out. And last state is West Bengal, that is 18th state, and the West Bengal state fish is a hilsa. Is a nice fish. It is a mostly migratory fish, we can see, and its scientific name is Tenulosa ilisha. This is the scientific name of the hilsa, that is Tenulosa ilisha. Thus, friends, we discuss here the role of the NBFGR, that is National Bureau of Fish Genetic Resources, Lucknow, which is located in Lucknow in Uttar Pradesh, and its main role to conserve the fish germplasm of the India and to protect the fishes from the extinct, to protect the fishes from the extinct from the earth, as well as their sustainable utilization for the forthcoming generation. That's, if you like this video, please subscribe and promote the channel. Please share the videos. Thank you.